Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to calculate week over week in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Calculating week over week or WOW change in Tableau involves comparing metrics from one week to the previous week. This can be done using a combination of calculated fields and tables here on the Tableau dashboard. Okay, so I'm gonna click on new worksheet here. And then let's start from putting in by dragging in some quantity here on the rows. I'm gonna rename this something like maybe this, make it bold, change the color, click apply, click OK. And then the next step is and type in date, press enter, maybe go to the order date, drag it to the columns. Maybe I just wanted to maybe like, because we're going to calculate week over week in Tableau, I want you to click on the drop down menu and make it week number. All right, so you see it changes right now. So we can like compare data week by week. I want you to click on the same quantity, press Control and drag it to the side. You see that one? It transformed into two separate information. And I want you to click on the drop down menu. Click the quick table calculation right here. And person difference. Of course, you can change this into a different maybe bar or maybe like area. So it's all up to you, because the idea is we're going to calculate week over week, right? Of course, you can change the color so that it could this one could match what you are currently working with. And then now, as you can see, WOW calculations allows you to track how metrics like sales, revenue, or user engagement are changing on a weekly basis. It provides a more immediate view of the performance trends. And of course, by looking at the weekly changes, you can quickly identify fluctuations that might indicate emerging issues or opportunities that require attention. For example, if you have launched a new marketing campaign, the analysis here, week over week, can help you measure its immediate impact on key metrics like traffic, conversions, or sales. Because if you track the effectiveness of a new product launches or a project by comparing weekly performance before and after the launch, it helps you assess the impact of seasonal promotions such as sales events, showing how these factors influence weekly performance. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.